I've bought and tested these bread makers, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let me tell you about my experiences with each one. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned baker, I've got insights that will help you find the perfect machine for your kitchen. Product number 1, Cuisinart Bread Maker CBK110NAS. When I first unboxed the Cuisinart Bread Maker, I was struck by its sleek stainless steel design. It feels sturdy and well built, which is a good sign for any kitchen appliance. I eagerly gathered my ingredients, following the user-friendly instructions that came with it. With 12 menu options, I found myself experimenting with everything from classic white bread to more adventurous pizza dough. The ability to choose from 3 different loaf sizes and crust colors was a game changer. I specifically remember the first loaf I made. It had a golden crust and soft, fluffy interior. I was amazed at how easy it was to customize the settings to my liking. One of the standout features is the LCD display that keeps you informed of the countdown and current cycle, which helps you plan your baking around your day. However, no product is without its flaws. While the compact design is great for saving space on the countertop, I found that the 2-pound capacity might not be enough for larger families. Additionally, I noticed that the audible beep reminders can be a bit startling if you're not expecting them. On the flip side, the removable nonstick baking pan made cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable bread maker that's easy to use and offers a variety of options, the Cuisinart Bread Maker is a solid choice. Not only does it deliver consistent results, but it also allows you to explore your baking creativity without overwhelming you. Plus, at a price point of $119.99, it sits comfortably between budget and premium. If you're serious about bread making and want a machine that grows with your skills, this could be the perfect fit. Product number 2, Osipoto 2LB Bread Maker Machine, is the Osipoto 2LB Bread Maker. I was immediately drawn to its sleek stainless steel exterior, which gave it a modern look in my kitchen. As a beginner baker, I was excited to see how user-friendly this machine really was. With 17 different automatic programs, I dove right into making a whole wheat loaf. Following the simple instructions, I added my ingredients and let the machine take over. The 600-watt motor ensures efficient baking, and I was delighted when I pulled out a beautifully risen loaf. What I loved most about this machine was the versatility it offered. The ability to customize not just the loaf size, but also the crust color made every baking session feel like a new adventure. The 15-hour delay timer became my best friend, allowing me to wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. However, I did find that the noise level was a concern. While it operated quietly at 50 decibels, I could still hear it while binge-watching my favorite show. In terms of value, priced at $99.99, the Osipoto Bread Maker is an excellent investment for families or anyone who enjoys baking regularly. The ease of cleaning, thanks to the non-stick pan, is another plus. If you're looking for a machine that caters to all your baking whims and is perfect for beginners, I highly recommend giving the Osipoto a try. Product number 3, Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B Bread Maker. My experience with the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B was nothing short of delightful. This machine is designed for those who want a no-fuss approach to baking. I remember unboxing it, and the first thing I noticed was how compact it was, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. The 19 programmed functions meant I could bake everything from gluten-free bread to delicious pizza dough. I aimed for a classic white bread first, and the results were simply fantastic. The 2-pound loaf came out perfectly baked, with a soft crumb and a crust that was just the right amount of crispy. One of the features that stood out to me was the 15-hour delay timer, which allowed me to prep the night before, knowing I'd wake up to fresh bread. However, one downside I encountered was that the machine can sometimes take a little longer than expected with certain settings, so patience is key here. At a price of $69.99, the Elite Gourmet offers exceptional value for anyone looking to get into home baking without breaking the bank. If you want a reliable, straightforward machine that makes baking feel effortless while delivering high-quality results, this could be the one for you. Product number 4. Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Bread Maker. The Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M caught my eye with its unique mint color, giving it a fun twist compared to standard appliances. I was eager to put it to the test, and like its sibling model, it did not disappoint. Right off the bat, I was impressed with how easy it was to navigate through the 19 programmable functions. I decided to make a rye bread, something I've always wanted to try but never had the time to do from scratch. The process was straightforward, and the machine did all the hard work for me, from kneading to baking. The results? A beautifully baked loaf that was both hearty and flavorful. The 15-hour delay timer was also a lifesaver, allowing me to set it up before heading out for the day. However, I did notice the machine could get a bit warm during extended use, which is something to keep in mind. Priced at $69.99, this bread maker is an affordable option for anyone wanting to explore different kinds of bread. The ease of use, coupled with the stylish design, makes it a worthy addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for an appliance that's not only functional but also adds a bit of flair to your countertop, the EBM 8103M is definitely worth considering. Product number 5. Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. Last but not least is the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. I was pleasantly surprised by its compact design, making it easy to fit into my kitchen without taking up too much counter space. With 14 different settings, including options for gluten-free bread and jams, I was excited to see what this machine could do. My first attempt was a classic white loaf, and I loved how it automatically mixed, kneaded, and baked without requiring much intervention from me. The Express Bake setting, which bakes bread in under 90 minutes, was a lifesaver on a busy day. However, I did notice that the machine can sometimes have a slight learning curve, especially when it comes to understanding the specific settings for different types of bread. The lack of a delay timer was also a downside for me, as I prefer waking up to freshly baked bread. Still, at a price of $66.49, it offers excellent value for those just starting in the world of bread making. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable machine that doesn't break the bank, this might be the perfect fit for you. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, these bread makers offer a variety of options to satisfy your baking needs. Each machine has its unique strengths, and finding the right one can elevate your home baking experience. Happy baking!